What's going on, everybody? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and in today's video I want to cover how to make $200 or more per day by typing or writing online. Now, this video is actually coming to you because I got an email just a little while ago, about a few hours ago. Let me just pull it up really quick. That's from a guy named Braden, and he says, "Yo, Mr. Snyder, I made about $3,600 in the past 2 weeks. I've only been taking your course for about 21 days. Okay, so he's in it about 3 weeks, and in the past 2 weeks, he's made about $3,600. That's pretty good. Okay, now let me explain exactly how he did that, where you can go find places to write articles for, how you can get money, and how you can charge people to write stuff that they can probably find online. But it's a great way to make money. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. And now, if you stay till the end, I'm going to show you not only how to do it, but how to do it faster, how to make more money. So, don't leave. So what I want to show you really quick is this is my freelance lifestyle course. Make $10,000 per month living the freelance lifestyle. I show you not only how to make $10,000 per month, but I show you where to go, give you tips and tricks on how to do it, and I also show you how to hire virtual assistants to run the entire business for you so you can live a passive lifestyle. Okay, you can make $10,000 per month by living a passive income lifestyle. So if you want it, first link down in the description box below. Go get it. Only 40 bucks. This is the course Braden took about 21 days ago, and he's made $3,600 in the past about 2 weeks. Okay, so let me show you. I'm gonna give you 5 different websites where you can go to actually make money online. Now, this one right here is called Tex Broker. You can go to texbroker.com. You can see how much you get paid based on the quality of writer you are. If you're really good, you get 5 cents per word. If you're better, okay, then better than just okay, you get 1.4. If you're okay, you get a penny a word. And if you're decent but you make a lot of mistakes, you get 7 cents per word. Let me show you how this works, okay? So on average, my students that take my course get about 2 cents per word. So in order to make, actually let's go $200 per day, divided by 2 cents, okay, per word, you need to be writing 10,000 words per day. Now, on average, they write about 80 words per minute, okay? Divided by 80, that's 125 minutes they need to work. Divide that by 60 in an hour, you need to work about 2 hours and let's say just two and a half hours, okay? So you need to work 2.5 hours. That's not a lot of time, okay? $200 a day divided by 2.5, okay, 2.5 hours, you're making about $80 an hour. Where do you know, okay, whether it's online, offline, in McDonald's, Walmart, wherever, Costco, where can you make $80 an hour? Let me know, okay? I'm interested. I'm interested what answers you guys have. So that right there is Tex Broker. This is iWriter.com. Okay, it's very similar, the same thing, and they kind of rank you based on how well of a writer you are. Okay, you can see it right here. So how good of writing you do. So they have the 4 different rankings. So depending on your sample article, they will judge you off that and then pay you accordingly. Okay, another place, and I talk about all these places inside the freelance lifestyle course. Again, $40. It's a one-time fee and you get access to it. This one is problogger.com. Okay, you can view the jobs. They have a bunch of different jobs. Now I'm not going to go over them. I'm not going to give you a whole bunch of tips. If you want the tips, you want the tricks, you want all that stuff, go get the course. Another one, this is Craigslist. Okay, Craigslist, I like to look in Manila, or so Manila's in the Philippines. I like to look in the Philippines, and I look in India. Go down to gigs, come up here, just type in writer, and editor, writer for high school psychology course content, writer to solidify, downsize my website text, a talented writer, hiring a reliable writer, okay, bunch of different places, people that are looking for a writer, just like you. Another place is Warrior Forum. Go to warriorforum.com, go to Marketplace, go down to Wanted, members looking to hire you, and you can find people that are looking for a writer right here, looking for a professional writer. Let's see. I'm not going to go through all this, but you get the idea. Okay, content marketers needed, Instagram growth and content creation, hiring, funnel membership site needed, That's not writing really, but yeah, you get the point. And you just keep going and going and going. That is just one way. Okay, that's just one way. You can find different places and people to write for. Now here's the hack. So you go to something called Google Docs. If you have a Google account, you go to google.com, you go over to the little lines on the right hand side, click on them, and you'll find something called Google Docs. Click on it, open a new document. From there, you click on Tools, click on Voice Typing. Now all we gotta do is click on this little microphone. You can see right here, I have my microphone. Okay, so this is a little bit more expensive microphone. This is like $110 microphone. So it's not the top of the line, but it's not the bottom of the line either. So all I gotta do now is I stand in front of my microphone and I will talk. So let me just talk. Okay. So all you need to do is click on that button and start talking. Period. What this does is allows the text to talk or talk to text start to work and put the words on the paper. Period. This is how simple this little hack is. Period. If you want to make more money, you can, but I highly recommend you use this simple tool. Period. This tool is absolutely free. Period. Why not use this when it's free? Question mark. Now, what we can do now is, let me go see the word count. I probably took about, what, 20 seconds? 20 seconds, 74 words, okay? And that's all it does. Now, one thing you need to understand is, which I believe, I'm not 100% sure, if somebody knows more than I do, please correct me, but I'm pretty sure with any talk-to-text software, it kind of learns your voice, learns everything as it goes. So what that means is the more you use it, the more accurate it will be. I'm not sure if this is 100% accurate with what I said, but if it is, great. I do use this tool. This is something I use all the time, so I do highly recommend it. But this is just one tool. So just think about that, okay? I just said that the majority of my students, on average, they write about 80 words per minute. I just showed you how I can do talk to text. I talked 74 words, and I only talked for what, 20 to 30 seconds, maybe less than that. So 20 seconds, okay, 74 words. So that means I can do about 200 words per minute. If I'm getting paid $2 cents a word, okay, and I do 200 words a minute, that just means I make $4 per minute over the course of an hour. Okay, $4 per minute. I would end up making whatever 4 times 60 is. Was that for, I don't know, $240, $24, something like that. $240 an hour. Pretty good, right? If my math is wrong, you can correct me down in the comment section below. Anyway, just trying to do it off the top of my head. But that's the whole point. That's what I'm trying to show you guys with actually writing. Okay, writing for a living. I used to do this all the time. This was my full-time job in like 2008, 2007, 2008. I did stuff online. I created websites, did affiliate marketing. But the thing that was really paying my bills was being a full-time freelance writer. And I was making thousands of dollars every single week. And the majority of the time, I wasn't doing a single thing because I was outsourcing all the work to my actual writer, to my manager, to my editor, okay, to my content, whatever he did. I'm not even sure now. Anyway, you can do this, okay? You don't even have to go and get the course, okay? If you want to get started, just go and get started. Go, Tex Broker and iWriter, I think, are only for US and Canada residents. I believe ProBlogger.com, you can write no matter where you are in the world. With Craigslist, it doesn't matter where you are. You just got to find the right person. With Warrior Form, it's the same thing. As long as you understand the language that you're writing in, that's all that matters. And now I'm showing you that go to these places and write, English articles, okay, articles in English. But you don't have to. You can write articles in French, in Spanish, in Italian, okay, in Portuguese, okay. It doesn't matter as long as you find somebody that's willing to pay you. Now, how do you get paid? I usually use PayPal. That's normally what I do. okay? But you don't have to. There's other places, there's other platforms out there that you can use as your payment, processor of, just find something that works for you, okay? That's all I can really say. Find something that works for you, depending on the country that you live in, okay? But if you have questions on this strategy, how to make money writing, how to make $200 to $600 to $800 to $1,000 a day, let me know down in the comment section below. But like I said, go and get that course. It's only $40. $40 for me to show you how to live the freelance lifestyle, how to make $10,000 per month in passive income, while you let everybody else, while you hired a team and you take that team and you make them do all the work. You pay them obviously accordingly, but they're doing all the work. They're handling everything for you, and so you can live the lifestyle that you truly deserve and you really want. So like I said, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the hack that I showed you, and also subscribe if you want more videos on how to make money online and how to live the best lifestyle possible. I'll see you guys on the next one.